Hello everyone, this is Z66 or Zakai, your underpaid, undertrained, underinsured mechanic, and I hope you enjoy the upcoming video. And feel free to take a moment to look around the channel while you're here. I hope you enjoy my videos. I do a little bit of everything. Automotive repair, tools, which is, like my Premature evaluation series, my full review series of ride the pony reviews, along with tool recovery, where I go to repair broken or damaged tools, anatomy of failure, what I discuss failures in a system and go over them. And of course, my new series of World of Finance, where I talk about, fun things like financing guns and general financial information. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to comment, like, subscribe at the bottom. And remember, I can't pay for these Ray-Bans without your help. Goodbye. Hello everyone, it's E66, your underpaid, undertrained, and underinsured mechanic, and we have Lisle item number 39190, heater hose disconnect hole for GM. So, let me get this in the frame. What this is basically a quick connect remover for the heater hoses on the GM vehicles, and I have to do this on my truck. I've seen some plastic versions, but I kind of wanted to get a metal one. It was only like 10 bucks. Designed to separate quick fittings on 3/4 of an inch heater hose on GM vehicles. I need this for my Silverado. It's had one replaced, but it's still got one that's got the plastics old and turned yellow, so I'm going to go ahead and replace this with Dorman metal replacement. But I'll let you know how this works in my videos. You have a good one. Bye-bye. Well everyone, this is Z66, your undertrained, underinsured, and underpaid mechanic, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe, comment below, because tell your mama, tell your grandmother, tell your doctor, because I can't do this alone, and I can't pay for these Ray-Bans without your help. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. You have a good day now. Goodbye.